plus 18 over x minus 5. Now press calculate button and the value of x where you want to evaluate. So x is 6. So you are getting 5 over 2. If you press this SD button, you will get 2.5. Right? Okay. So let's move to another. There is a comprehensive problem in which it is October November 2009 question. Part A says we have been given an equation, that is exponential equation. We have to solve it for the value of y, and then there is another equation that we did here. It is same as this question, and another question in which we have been given this, we have to solve it for q, and then a quadratic equation. So let's do it one by one. So it's 2 to the power y equals x. I'm clearing this key logs. 2 to the power of x equals, so for equal we will press alpha and equal 8. Now you need to solve it. To solve the equation you must press shift and then calc, because solve is yellow. So for x value, suppose I think it's 2, so it's giving the value 3. L minus r is again 0, that means x equals 3 is the accurate answer. So we are done with this. Now the second part, we already did it, the same question, so let's do it again. 3x plus 4 equals, for equal to you must press alpha and then equal button. 8 minus 2 then bracket x minus 3 bracket close. Now you should press shift and then solve. Let the value of x be 3. So the value of x is 2, L minus r is 0. That means the value of x is accurate, which is x equals 2. Now let's see the other question. It's 18 over q minus 16 over q plus 2 equals 1. So 18 over x minus 16 over x plus 2 equals 1. So alpha and calculate 1. Now you need to press shift and then solve. Suppose the x value is 2, so it's 6. So L minus r is 0. Again the x value is correct. Now you must consider one thing, that we know that when we solve it manually we will get two values of x, because we know that the denominators are x and x plus 2. When we multiply them, x will become squared, so it will be a quadratic equation and we will have two answers. So you must be careful about that thing. So it is giving us the first answer, and suppose if I do it again, and now I suppose the value of x is 8, so it's giving me 6 again. But when you keep changing the values, you might get the second answer. But it is recommended, when you are doing quadratic equations, simplify the equation to quadratic form and then solve using the quadratic formula that I showed you in equation menu. Again part A. Okay, yes, table option can be used to solve this, but that question was very easy. We will be doing table menu for the longer questions. Okay, so